Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your 2019 Honda Civic Coupe? Wondering what each fuse controls and how to replace one if needed? In this video, we'll show you exactly where to find the fuse boxes, what they do, and how to troubleshoot any issues. Stay tuned and let's dive in. Engine compartment, fuse block. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2019 Honda Civic Coupe is located near the battery and protects key systems like the alternator, cooling fan, and fuel pump. It contains a labeled diagram for easy identification and uses standard blade-type fuses. Some models include spare fuses and a puller for quick replacements. Interior fuse box. The interior fuse box of the 2019 Honda Civic Coupe is located under the dashboard on the driver's side, providing easy access for maintenance. It contains fuses for various interior electronics, including the infotainment system, power windows, and dashboard controls, with a labeled diagram for quick identification. The fuse box cover also includes a fuse puller and spare fuses, making it convenient for troubleshooting and replacements.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle. Locate the fuse box. Identify the faulty fuse. Remove the faulty fuse. Inspect and obtain a replacement. Install the new fuse. Test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuses and fuse box diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.